Logging into your Shopify admin is the first step. Once you are inside the dashboard, look at the bottom left corner and click on the Settings tab. It is represented by a gear icon. From there, a menu will expand, and you need to select the plan option. This is where you manage your subscription details, billing cycles, and the status of your store. Before you can cancel, you must make sure that all outstanding bills are paid. Shopify will not let you close the store if there is a pending invoice or a balance remaining. Click on the View Outstanding Bills link if you see one, or check the billing history to ensure everything is settled. The company also requires that you remove any third-party app subscriptions that bill through Shopify. If you skip this step, you might still get charged by those apps even after the store is closed. Once your financial house is clean, you need to pick a reason for leaving. Scroll down past the billing information and look for a red link that says Deactivate Store. Clicking this will prompt you to select why you are canceling. Go through the drop-down menu, pick the most accurate reason, and type in your password to verify your identity. This security check exists to ensure it is really you shutting down the business and not someone who gained unauthorized access. After hitting the Confirm button, your store is not immediately gone for good. If you are on a paid plan, Shopify will keep your data frozen for 2 business days before fully erasing it. If you change your mind during that window, you can log back in and reactivate the plan instantly without losing your work. However, if you are still building the store on a free trial and you do not select a paid plan, the data is removed the moment the trial expires with no grace period. Double-check that you have exported any necessary product lists or customer records before the final deactivation.